What is the minimum age to add your child on your credit card account as an authorized user? You know, to help them to start building their credit. I'll wait. What if I tell you there is no minimum age? You heard that correctly. Our 6-year-old twin boys can be added to our credit card accounts right now as authorized users. Let's go to our do-it-yourself credit repair system. We're going to go to module number 6. In module 6, it goes over how to build your credit. Also, becoming an authorized user. Look at the programs available as well as secured cards and all of the downloads. But check this out. The minimum age for authorized user. Let's look at it. Check this out. Read along with me. Legally, there is no minimum age for an authorized user on a credit card. Let's skip to the second paragraph. However, some credit card companies have their own requirements, and it goes on to list all of the different banks and companies where there's no minimum age or that company has set their own minimum age. Check out this sentence right here. You can make a newborn an authorized user if your account if you wanted to. There you have it, kings and queens. Keep in mind, it all starts with you. You can change the generational curses centered around your family wealth as well as credit, which is a big thing, by you learning the information, you getting your credit exactly where you want, and then passing that information down to your kids. Keep in mind, you do not want to add your kids as an authorized user on your account if you have poor credit. So it starts with you.